Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back another day, another photo. So this is the photo we grabbed today. This is a Cymbalta. Yeah. Let us get to the edit. Bring that up just a tiny bit. Heavy around contrast. Light up. Shadow up a bit. Take contrast down a bit first. Separate these two things a little bit easier. Alright. Too far yet. Alright. Take sats down a bit, vibrance. Most of this yellowish orange stuff up. Alright. Let's texture music. Hazy lights up the image on us. Color. Alright, we're gonna go first into the masking so we can bring these blue tips out a bit more out of the black. So, object. Shrink the size down. Good. These blue sides first. I can ask for these. Bring exposure up a bit, contrast a bit, up, shadows up. Do another one. Object. Alright. 3 of them grabbed. First thing I want to do is duplicate the inverts. Take this. Exposure. Nice. All the way down. Alright. Tension. Cool down. Alright. Now I'll go back to these guys. Hit it with the exposure. Hit some contrast. Lights down just a bit. Shadows up a bit. Texture. Clarity. Bit. Green. Noise. Bada boom. That is our photo for today. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll see you on the next.
Your clothes are red!
Bye-bye!